I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've ever found yourself questioning a charge on your Lyft ride, don't you worry, resolving it is straightforward. Here is how to tackle a billing dispute step by step. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the disputed charge. Step 2. Access your ride history. Navigate to the menu and select Ride History. This will show you a list of your recent rides, including any charges. Step 3. Select the disputed ride. Find the ride in question and tap on it to view the details. Look for the specific charge you believe is incorrect. Step 4. Report the dispute. Scroll down and look for the option to get help or report an issue. Follow the prompts to describe your dispute clearly. Step 5. Submit your requests. After filling out the necessary information, submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates. Sometimes, it may take a few days for Lyft to respond, so be patient. If you don't hear back, you can always follow up through the app. Good luck, and I hope your issue gets resolved quickly.